Now I'm going to show you guys the 3D Maxpiders floor mats that I got for my car. Alright, so with the trunk open already, I'm just going to show you the rear cargo mat from 3D Maxpider. This material is what they call Kagu rubber. Let's see if you can focus here, yeah. Now, one thing I'm going to point out, fitment right here is perfect, right? Plugs the edge here, and it's lined up perfectly. For some odd reason, this side is just a little too big by just that much. Just this border right here, this entire thing. It's funny, it fits perfectly everywhere, and then just boom, just this little section. So yeah, that's the cargo mat. Either way, I'm happy with it. Alright, so here we got the rest of the floor mats. This is going to be for the top middle section. And then on the back, it's like this Velcro-like material that would latch on. Two seats right here. Now, this right here is the driver's seat. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a line here, a few lines here. So anyone that buys this in the future and sees these lines and think, hey, there's no way that those lines are gonna come out because this is a mold. But guess what? This, I already wrote to them and asked why did they come like this when the rest are perfect, and they said there's nothing wrong with it, this is how they come. So they are literally, they apparently, I guess they all have these lines. So I don't know, just certain lines, they seem like, I don't know, something doesn't seem right to me, but it's not as eye appealing as I thought it would be. But they said it comes like this. And if you go look, I bought these on Amazon, and so if you go and check them out on the stock photos they even use for the Civics, they actually do have these lines. So I was like, wow, okay, for sure. But yeah, so I was kind of tripping out because it just didn't look right to me, but I guess that's how they all are. See, the passenger one is pretty good. It's really nice, but there's a line here. It goes along here. So I'm just gonna get that POV installed. Still got the tape on there. So yeah, as always, please like and subscribe. Please, it will help the channel out so much. Definitely try to do some giveaways here shortly. Stay tuned for that announcement. Definitely at the next milestone for sure. 250 subscribers, 500, 750, 1,000, 2,000, and so forth. You know how it goes, but definitely gonna get that in lock real soon. So on that note, thank you for everyone for tuning in. Hopefully you guys learned something from all this and enjoyed the content I provided for you all today. Man, I'm always, tongue-tied, but this is just me being real with y'all, so definitely keep it locked, alright? Alright, so some bonus footage. I'm gonna do my best to, one, get this shift knob to sit straight. Alright, so hopefully this angle works out, but, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, but pretty much you're gonna wanna get through here, on top of this, pry it down. Whew. Man. For sure scratched the shift knob. Alright. Now that we have access to that, gotta get ourselves a 14 mil. Let me know if there's any tips or tricks on making sure this goes straight. So, this whole thing is for not only to straighten out the shift knob, but to add this rubber PokéBall protector right onto here. Pretty much not only keep my hand from burning in summer, but it's also for grip. Because this is very slippery at times, I notice, and I just need something that I can just grab onto a little bit better. So I'm just gonna hopefully fit this over, and it fits. No way. Yes. Check this out. Yo, that is so legit. It's perfect. Just have the Pokemon theme song going on right now. I wanna be the very best. No one ever was. Dun, 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 dun. Gotta catch them all.